Hello and welcome to this lesson on solving simultaneous linear equations. By the time you finish this video, you will be able to identify and set up simultaneous linear equations from given information or word problems. Second, solve simultaneous linear equations using the elimination method to find the value of one variable. Third, substitute the value back into an equation to find the second variable and verify the solution. Let's get started. To solve simultaneous linear equations, we follow three main steps. First, eliminate one variable. This means combining the two equations so that one variable disappears. Second, solve for the remaining variable. Third, substitute the value back into one of the original equations to find the second variable. Let's look at this example. The two equations are 2x plus 3y equals 11 and 4x minus 3y equals 5. First, we eliminate one variable. Add the two equations together. 2x plus 3y plus 4x minus 3y equals 11 plus 5. The 3y and negative 3y cancel out, so we get 6x equals 16. Now divide both sides by 6. X equals 16 over 6, which simplifies to 8 over 3. Next, substitute the value of x back into one of the equations. Use the first equation. 2 times 8 over 3 plus 3y equals 11. This gives 16 over 3 plus 3y equals 11. Now move 16 over 3 to the other side. 3y equals 11 minus 16 over 3. Convert 11 to thirds. 3y equals 33 over 3 minus 16 over 3. So we get 3y equals 17 over 3. Now divide both sides by 3. Y equals 17 over 9. Now, let's dive into some exam-style practice question. You can pause the video and try yourself. Question 1. Solve the simultaneous equations. 3x plus 4y equals 7 and 5x minus 4y equals 29. This question is worth 2 marks. First, write the two equations. 3x plus 4y equals 7 and 5x minus 4y equals 29. Next, eliminate one variable by adding the two equations together. 3x plus 4y plus 5x minus 4y equals 7 plus 29. The 4y and negative 4y cancel out, leaving 8x equals 36. Now divide both sides by 8. X equals 9 over 2. This earns 1 mark. Now that we have x equals 9 over 2, we move to the next step, which is substitute back. Substitute the value of x into the equation 3x plus 4y equals 7. So we write 3 times 9 over 2 plus 4y equals 7. Next, move 27 over 2 to the other side. 4y equals 7 minus 27 over 2. Convert 7 into halves. So we get 4y equals negative 13 over 2. Now divide both sides by 4. Y equals negative 13 over 8. This earns 1 mark. Question 2. A customer spends $10.50 on 4 sandwiches and 5 drinks. Another customer buys 6 sandwiches and 3 drinks for $12.90. How much will it cost to buy 5 sandwiches and 6 drinks? This question is worth 5 marks. Let x be the price of 1 sandwich. Let y be the price of 1 drink. From the question, we form the two equations. 4x plus 5y equals 10.50. 6x plus 3y equals 12.90. Now to eliminate one variable, we make the coefficients of y the same. Multiply the second equation by 5. 30x plus 15y equals 64.5. This earns 1 mark. Multiply the first equation by 3. 12x plus 15y equals 31.5. This earns 1 mark. Now subtract the equations. 30x plus 15y minus 12x plus 15y equals 64.5 minus 31.5. This simplifies to 18x equals 33. Now divide both sides by 18. X equals 33 over 18. So, x is approximately 1.83. This earns 1 mark. Now we continue. Use the equation. 4x plus 5y equals 10.50. Substitute the value of x. 4 times 11 over 6 plus 5y equals 10.50. This gives 44 over 6 plus 5y equals 10.50, which is 7.3, 3 plus 5y equals 10.50. Now subtract 7.33 from both sides. 5y equals 3.17. Now divide both sides by 5. Y is approximately 0.63. This earns 1 mark. Now we find the total cost, 5x plus 6y. Substitute the values, 5 times 1.83 plus 6 times 0.63. This gives 9.15 plus 3.78, which equals 12.93. Final answer, the cost is $12.93. This earns 1 mark. Question 3. A taxi company charges for distance and a fixed starting fee. A trip costs $18 for 2 kilometers and 3 minutes waiting time. Another trip costs $27 for 4 kilometers and 3 minutes waiting time. How much will it cost for a trip of 3 kilometers and 5 minutes waiting time? This question is worth 3 marks. Let's go step by step and follow the process carefully. First, eliminate one variable. Let x be the cost per kilometer. Let y be the cost per minute waiting. From the information given, we form the equations. 2x plus 3y equals 18. 4x plus 3y equals 27. Now we eliminate one variable. Notice that both equations have positive 3y. This is very helpful because it means we can eliminate y directly by subtracting one equation from the other. So we write 4x plus 3y minus 2x plus 3y equals 27 minus 18. Now simplify both sides carefully. On the left side, 4x minus 2x gives us 2x, and the 3y minus 3y cancel out completely. So we are left with 2x equals 9. Now divide both sides by 2 to find the value of x. X equals 9 divided by 2, which is 4.5. So the cost per kilometer is $4.5. This earns 1 mark. Next, solve for the remaining variable. We substitute the value of x into one of the original equations. Let's use the equation 2x plus 3y equals 18. Now substitute x equals 4.5. 2 times 4.5 plus 3y equals 18. Now calculate 2 times 4.5, which gives us 9. So we now have 9 plus 3y equals 18. Next, subtract 9 from both sides to isolate 3y. 3y equals 18 minus 9. So we get 3y equals 9. Now divide both sides by 3. Y equals 3. So the cost per minute of waiting time is $3. This earns 1 mark. Finally, substitute back. We now find the total cost using 3x plus 5y. Substitute the values we found, 3 times 4.5 plus 5 times 3. Now calculate each part step by step. 3 times 4.5 is 13.5. 5 times 3 is 15. Now add them together. 13.5 plus 15 equals 28.5. Therefore, the cost is $28.50. This earns 1 mark.